I'm Jen Carlman with InLab News. We are here at the Fall 2010 Demo Conference. Very happy to be joined by two guys from IQ Engine. We've got Andrew and Jerry. Thanks so much, guys, for being here. Jerry, you're the CEO of the company, so tell me a little bit about IQ Engine. What is it that you do?
Okay, so we do image recognition. So what we do is we power visual search applications. And what that means is that we can take photos and look at them and extract key content. We can output keywords and describe the photos, because once you take photos, and there's a billion taken every day, you can get the keywords and you can do things like search and share and shop. So we make photos useful. And in that respect, we make cameras smart.
Are you basically taking the concept of SEO and applying it to photos? Is that what I understand when it comes to keywords?
Yeah, not really. What we have is a...
yeah, not really, Jen, actually. That's not it at all.
Not really.
That's why you guys run the company and not me. I just asked the questions.
Yeah. But no, basically what we have is a service.
Okay.
You know, it's run on servers, and that service is used by businesses. So they have all their photos that they want to monetize, or they have photos from cameras, from mobile cameras.
Okay.
Those photos go into our service. We essentially analyze them, figure out what they are, and then send them back. And now businesses can use those photos and monetize the photos or help people shop for things and things like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Andrew, from your perspective, you're doing business development. So tell me why you think this product is valuable and why a VC or private equity or someone would want to invest in your company. Where's the value proposition for them?
So the value proposition is that with the explosion of, say, mobile devices with cameras, images are just growing like crazy. So we've, you know, best we can find is that over 1 billion photos are taken every single day, and we want to make that useful, right? So think of some of the use cases for the technology. So one of the early adopters seems to be the retail space. Retailers love this because people are walking around their store with a mobile phone with a camera, and they want to learn about the products. And the retailers find that if they take a picture of a product because they want information about it, then that's this invitation to market to the customer at this really important moment. And if you provide them with a lot of information about the product, they become less price sensitive because they're more interested now in the features and the reviews that they can access on it. So retailers love that, and we provide that link of transforming the picture into the keyword that lets them find that product in their inventory and send them the information.
Is the product actually out now? Have you tested it out and that's been the feedback from retail?
Yeah, that's exactly right. And we've just signed some tier 1 retailers that we're really excited about.
Wow.
So it'll be launching in the next few months on their mobile apps.
Huh, very exciting. I'm always struck by the great ideas that come out of demo, and I'm always wondering, well, how did they think of that? Or I think, what a brilliant idea. Why did I think of that? Where is the motivation, or where did this idea for you guys start?
Well, this actually emerged out of university, out of UC Berkeley and UC Davis, and we were funded initially by the National Science Foundation. So we owe a lot to the National Science Foundation because they gave us a grant to work on these technologies in image intelligence. So we were born with a very technical team of 9 PhDs and experts in computer vision, and they really had this vision of taking how the eye and the brain see and apply that, you know, and apply that to the real world.
Right.
So it came from a lot of very good researchers in the field of vision. Yeah.
That's very interesting science. Andrew, from your standpoint, where is the company at? Where are you looking to grow? And what's your funding situation? What are you looking for?
So the company right now, we've got a couple of these early retail customers that we're really excited about. We've also had several hundred downloads of our API, which gives developers access to build their own applications. So we're starting to see the growth that we're really excited about. And so we're really looking over the next year to expand on that, to start working with photo hosts and photo sharing sites to monetize their content as well. And then the other area that we're working is with providers of technology for the blind and the vision impaired. So it's very broad in applicability, and those are 3 of the areas, as well as augmented reality, that we're really trying to put a lot of focus into.
Right.
So growing the customer base in those spaces is the real focus in the short term. From a funding standpoint, we closed an angel round of funding a few months ago, and we've been really generously funded with grants from the NSF and the National Institute of Health. And in the next half year or so, we'll be looking to raise an additional round of funding.
Very exciting, combining technology and intelligence. I really like it. The company is IQ Engines. Jerry and Andrew, thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.